In this video, we will practice some sentences used on daily basis or may be taken from past papers. Click on this link to watch the videos about parts of speech, tenses, active voice, passive voice, and narrations. Let's start. Sentence number 1. She brought up in luxury. She brought up in luxury. Sentence number 2. Get this bastard out. Get this bastard out. Sentence number 3. You crossed the limit. You crossed the limit. Sentence number 4. Hamid got angry. Hamid got angry. Sentence number 5. I had a late breakfast. I had a late breakfast.